Hi, and welcome to the channel. I'm Jill. In today's video, I'm taking you guys along as I tweak this space just a little bit. Just a little bit. So I've been cleaning and you know how it gets. So if this sounds like something you may be interested in, then stick around to see what I do. Okay, you guys, so as I said, today is my day to clean and do laundry and all that other stuff. I've also been tearing stuff up. So anyway, with that said, so you see this picture behind me. I absolutely love this picture. I found this picture by watching, I think her channel's name is Styled by Casanova. Um, she showed this in her, I want to say it was her first house that she built. But anyway, I fell in love with this picture. I found it, they said it was one price. They had one price on there. And I had already looked online and it showed me that it was much more than that. So when I saw it, honey, I hopped on it. And then I said to the lady, I said, online it says it's such a, such a, such a. So anyway, she gave it to me for the price that they had listed, but as soon as I got mine, they put the correct price on it. So anyway, all that. See, I gotta give you the backstory and everything. So anyway, I feel like this picture. Well, let me turn you around so that you can see what I'm seeing, and then give me your thoughts on it because my sister does not agree with me. So we're going to play today and see if I'm right. So let me change the view. Okay, you guys. So this is like the view of the fireplace, and then I have that picture on this wall. I originally bought the picture to go over the fireplace. However, measuring is fundamental. You need to measure first. But I didn't want to take it back because I absolutely love that picture. So what I was thinking, okay, we're going to do another shot. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so there it is right there. I'm wanting to move it over here simply because I feel like with it being here, it takes away from the focal point, which is the fireplace. So I'm going to swap these out. I know it sounds simple, but it's not. I'm going to swap these out to see if I like, well, I'm not even sure I'm going to put anything back on this wall. Because once again, it'll take away, I think, from the fireplace. So anyway, let's just play and see what happens. Okay, you guys, so I've already taken the picture down. It's kind of heavy. Ain't no kind of heavy, it's heavy. So now I need to move this out and take that down. And then I need to measure. I hope it's not, let's just hope it works. So let me get to moving stuff. So don't do like me. I have the little moving man things, but they're downstairs. And I'm not going down there. Now, we'll have to go down there when it's time to. Anyway, I'm not going. So, let me take these down. Oh, this is going to be heavy, though, because I've got this thing loaded. Oh. Okay, so let me see. You guys, man. Oh no. Okay. So look. If at first you shouldn't succeed and try again, I'm going to have to get those moving in because this is too heavy. I got a lot of stuff in there, you guys. A lot of entertaining stuff. So anyway, let me go find the moving man. Okay. Let me take my glasses on. So much for the moving man. You guys, I had to put that female muscle in. Anyway, so what I did is like from this co-closet door to the end of this wall, which you can't really see. But anyway, I measured from there to there, which was 10 feet. Then I divided that in half to find my center. I'm getting ready to put some tape so you can see what I mean. So you can see what I mean. So this is my center. Then I divided that in half, which would make it like 2.5 feet. And so that would be right here. And wait a minute. I had to get over on that side. Well, you get what I mean. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to repair the holes from the previous thing. I might wait for it to dry and paint it, or this is so big I might just paint it when I take this picture down. We'll see what I decide to do. So hold on a sec. Okay, so I have my speckle up. It's fast drying. I'm gonna show you guys. I used this for that art project, and well, anyway, it has the color indicator. It turns white when it's dry, so you can see like right there it's pink. So we're gonna let that dry, and then I'll lightly sand it, and then we will hang this baby. I'll get my other my picture hangers up. I always use picture hangers. Picture hangers are great, guys, because this picture is heavy. I think the picture holders that I have holds 200 pounds. The picture's not that heavy, but I wanted to make sure. So anyway, we're gonna let this dry, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, you guys, so little Miss Shira's gonna have to wait for Mister to get home because the picture is so wide that I can't, and the hooks are on each end, and I can't make it hook. But I'm not gonna quit trying. So either I'm gonna say, girl, I got it, or I'm gonna have to say, girl, I had to wait for Mister. So I'll see you in a sec. Okay, you guys, so this is the view now from this angle. I like it. I'm gonna have to get used to that wall being blank. As you can see, I moved the floral that was on the console to the table because of its height. It was hiding the branches of the picture. I also put the lamps from the console over here and over to my right. However, you guys, I have my windows open, and it's a huge window, so that's why I'm not showing that part. But let me give you another angle. So this is now what that section looks like. I'm not so sure I'm happy with the lamps. I use shorter lamps because of the design of the picture, but I'm not so sure I like that. And forgive my little lonely mother-in-law's tongue. Some people call them snake plants, but anyway, here's this wall again, blank. Okay, so you guys, I have a question. So now, I have an older house, so therefore I have a lot of this oak wood. So let me show you, because what drives me crazy, see these? That's a closet door, and that's the front door. So I was thinking maybe I ought to paint that black. Or would you paint it white? So drop your comments down below and let me know what you think. And so far, this is my little tweet for now. You guys, there's so much going on right now in my world. But anyway, I'm going to close out right here, and I'm going to say, I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, tell someone you love them, guys. If you haven't told them in a while, let them know how much you care for them. I love you from your toes to your soul, and until next time, Stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.